We'll guide you through how to cancel your Printify subscription effectively and smoothly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printify website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your account name or avatar. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From there, select the subscriptions option. You'll be taken to a new page that shows your current subscription details. Look for the option that says Manage Subscription and click on it. This will bring you to a page where you can see different management options for your subscription here. You should find the Cancel Subscription button, click on it, and you might be asked to confirm your decision, so make sure to do so. After confirming, your subscription cancellation process will be initiated. Keep in mind that depending on your billing cycle, you might still have access to your subscription features until the end of your current billing period. It's always a good idea to check the cancellation policy or any charges that might be applicable. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, you can also reach out to Printify's customer support for help. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Printify subscription. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.